सोचो अगर आप घंटों मेहनत करके भी ऐसी सिंपल पीपीटी बना रहे हो तो कंपनी में आपको एवरेज ही समझा जाएगा। यस, पीपीटी को तो सब बनाते हैं, पर इफेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना ही आपको दूसरों से अलग दिखाएगा। Most of us use the chart in PowerPoint, a bar chart, line, pie chart. Let me ask you, but do they have always grab attention? Probably not. That's why today I will show you how to transform this boring slide to the engaging infographic styles visuals. So this is the boring slide what we are talking about, and we can regenerate it to the infographics like this. So it will show you the years and the series for the chart one, second series, third series, and fourth series. You can say that in the 2022, these are the four quarters, and how we perform in that quarter, it's mentioned here. So let's learn how to create this. So we will start from the basic. We'll open the PowerPoint first. Then we are having these colors with us. I will unclick it. We'll insert the chart, dummy chart for the reference. Then we are having the series here. And taking reference for the already created chart. Okay. So this is the basic chart what we have created. Now we have to transform it to this one. So how to do that? First of all, we will remove this chart title. Again, we don't need this vertical axis. We want the data labels here. Then this boring bar charts, that's rectangular or square type charts, are boring now. So we will make it to the rounded corner. Like first we will go to the shapes, then go to this rectangle top corner rounded one. Click here and create one shape. So this shape we have created. Again, we need to mold it to right circular portion. Yeah. So perfect. Remove the border first. Now we are having this colors with us, what we want. So click on this color. First of all, we'll change the color shape. Let's click on eyedropper, then click the first. Now we will make it duplicate. For making the duplicate, we will do Control D, second color, shape fill, eyedropper, select this color. Then again we will do the duplicate. Same procedure, eyedropper, select, then duplicate, shape fill, eyedropper, and grade. Yeah, now we are ready with the bars, what we want. Now what we have to do, just copy this bar, Control C, and click on the first bar. Make sure that all the blue ones are selected, and then just Control V. The bar size is changed to the rounded rectangle. Again, we will select the second one, copy, same procedure, click the bar, paste. Third one, copy, select, paste, copy, select, and then paste. Now we will adjust it. Now this is not required anymore. We will delete it. Again, this one. We will make it short. Yeah. And this is the series. What we want. We don't want these lines. Again, To highlight the background, we'll go to design. We'll select background style. Then we can select this gray one or maybe this one, whatever you like. We prefer to do this in. We can also make the darker backgrounds. This is up to your choice. I will select this one. Then I don't want this much gaps in between. So I will select the chart, click on this, right click, then format chart area. I'll click on bar. Then this option will open called as series option. Then we'll fill the gaps, gap width. Then overlapping. I want to decrease the overlapping. Yeah. So now it's looking perfect. Again, I want the uh, this ear to be distributed properly. So we will go to insert the shape. We will insert line here. So the length of the line will be up to this thing. Again, we will press the control, click on this line and drag the line so that it will bodily shift the line and copy paste the lines as it is. Then one more time we will do this. Control and drag. Now we don't want this line to be plain simple lines. So we will make it we will first change the color of this line to the dark blue. Then the dashes that if line formats, we will change the line format to this one. Yeah. Uh, this is not just why I don't know, but see, we will click on this, go to home, format printers, and click on this line. Or, or the second option we have is to copy paste the line. Yeah. Now the chart is ready. Now we just need to copy paste the names of the chart and the description. So copy it from previous slide and paste it here. Now the last what we have to do is the animations. Go to animation, make it white. So it is coming in one go only, but we don't want it to come in a one go. So we will go to effect option and we will do it by series so that it will come by series and we will give the option as on click. So when we will present this charts to our management, we can show it like this. First, the years will come and the series labels will come here. So first series is this one for the year 2022, 23, 24 and 25. Again, the next one for the series 2 that we can say this in the quarter 2, we are 2.4 for 2022 and 2.35 for 2025. Again for the quarter 3 and this is for the quarter. That's it. Thank you.